Hi guys, welcome to Royal Logos. It's my pleasure to have you here and I really hope that you all are doing well. In today's video, I will demonstrate you that how can we extract a logo design idea for a company that is providing listings and licensing services for the residential property. So without wasting any time, let's continue with the brief that we received from the client. So the client says that the name of the logo is Listings Hub. Listings Hub is a business-to-business property data company, applying the Spotify model to residential property data. We act as a central repository for all residential property listings and licensing the data to companies to enable them to create new products or enhance the existing ones. We also deal with the construction management and general contracting. Licensing revenues are shared with the estate agents who contribute data to the repository. We want our logo to target the property listings and licensing, and property should be targeted to only residential property, not commercial. Now, the major points that I extracted from this brief. First of all, it's the name of the logo, which is Listings Hub. And the second one is that the company is providing residential property listings and licensing services. And the third important point is that they also deal with the construction management and general contracting. And the fourth important point is that the logo should be targeted to only residential property and not commercial. Now let's continue with the mind mapping process to design the logo for Listings Hub. To design our logo, we can focus and target a number of points. Like if we want to design a letter logo, then we can use the initial letter L. And we can also use the combination of letter L and letter H. Letter L for listings and letter H for hub. And to emphasize on the listing services, we can use a number of elements like we can use the files to represent documentation and different listings. And to make our logo more minimalistic, we can only use an abstract mark of a list. And we can also use a shield because the company is acting as a repository, or you can say that the company is acting as a safe for all data. And to represent the residential property, we can use the abstract mark of a residential building. And if we focus on the construction, then we can target the major construction material like bricks. And we can also use a crane to target the construction machinery. We can also use a vectorized version of a certification badge to represent the licensing services. And now to design our logo, I have decided to continue with the combination of two elements, list and residential property. And after sketching different designs by using the combination of these two elements, this was the finalized version. You can also check the detailed project on Behance. The link is given in the description. And now, if you want to suggest any modifications or want to share your thoughts about the design, that whether you liked it or not, then you can share in the comments section. And if you think that this video helps you in some way, then like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for visiting and have a nice day.